Okay, I'm just running 3D Mark Advantage. I am testing the Nvidia GTX 280. A graphics card from 2009. It's extremely power hungry, uses around 250 watts of power. I think it has something like 280 CUDA cores. I will put the exact specs in the description. And as I said, this was the second fastest card of the time, the fastest being the ATI 4870. ATI is now of course AMD, and AMD was kicking Nvidia's butt at this time. This card had GDDR3, the ATI cards had GDDR5 at the time, so you know that was a pretty big difference. But there wasn't really much in it between the two cards, but the ATI card was slightly ahead. Nvidia later came out with a dual GPU solution called the GTX 295, and that did wipe the floor with AMD, although be it only just really. It was an even more power hungry card. So yeah, I hope to get one of those soon. Our test bench is a HP Z600 workstation with dual Xeon 6-core processors, so it's a reasonably fast workstation. Though it is getting a little on the older side now, so I do plan on doing an upgrade in the future. Sorry about no screen capture, but this graphics card doesn't really support it, and even if it did, I'd be losing frames on the test anyway, so it wouldn't be accurate. So you just have to enjoy the camera sitting there on a piece of wood. Hey ho, very first world problem. This particular card is made by Bfg. Bfg no longer being in business anymore. I think the last product they made was power supplies, so RIP Bfg, but the graphics card is certainly still living on. You watch, I'll say that it'll blow up on me now, and we'll end up having a trip switch incident. That would be funny, won't it? Not. So yeah, this machine has 32 gigs of RAM, 2 Xeons as I said before, an SSD and two 2TB hard drives, so it's not bad, especially seeing as I've got it for free. Yeah, it worked for basically throwing it out, and ordered my mate to throw it in the skip along with another one like it. So I've got both of them. There's another one upstairs and there's a couple of Dell laptops as well, so that's all cool. Just going to make various random videos about retro sort of computer hardware. It's just kind of interesting to see how things have come. How far things have come, sorry. $14,492. That seems a little low to me, so we're going to overclock it and see what happens. I probably shouldn't be overclocking a BFG card, but hey ho, life's too short to worry about that. See you later. That concludes this video.